is going to be coming up with those different kinds of opinions. So another example might be, since y'all got me on it this morning, popcorn is the best food to snack on. Is that a fact or an opinion? Is that a fact or an opinion? Walter, is that a fact or an opinion?
That's just an opinion. Someone else would like something different.
Good. That's just an opinion, because somebody else may want to snack on may say that some snacking on chips or bananas or apples is the best, right? So it's just an opinion. It's just me saying, well, I think this. So whenever we're doing our persuasive writing, we're going to be coming up with opinions. We're going to be coming up with opinion statements. But what also goes along with persuasive writing that you have to do is you have to actually support your opinion. So you have to give reasons why you think this. So I would have to give reasons why I think Houston is the best city to live in. I would have to give reasons why popcorn is the best food to snack on. So this is kind of where, like I was telling you, it's a little bit like informational text in the sense that you have to support this statement that you're making. So we'll actually be using, I'm just going to show you, we're not going to make eye charts today, but we'll actually be using eye charts to do this, okay? So we'll be doing the same thing. So we'll put our opinion statement up at the top, just like we did our topic sentence. We'll have our conclusion at the bottom. And then we're going to have our evidence number 1, and we'll have our evidence number 2, and then we'll have our word banks on the side. Okay, so it's going to look the same. It's going to look very similar to our informational text, but it'll be a little bit different because we're going to be making opinion statements. We're not going to be supporting something that's true. We're going to be supporting something that we think is true. So I want us to now practice writing some opinion statements. So we have some opinion statements in our journals. Remember kind of like how we wrote our expert list? Yes. Yes, we should all be nodding our head because yes, we should all remember writing our expert list because we use these a lot, or we used it a lot. Okay, so get out your writing journal. Get out your writing journal. We're going to make some opinions. Let's make some opinions. And then you can actually take the sticky notes and your pieces of paper that you had in your journal that marked our eye chart and our other story. You could take those off if you're done. If you've already typed up your story and submitted it to me on Seesaw, okay? You can take these off. And then I'll tell you, but keep them because we're going to use them to mark something else. So don't throw them away. All right. So let's make some opinion statements. So you're gonna write opinion statements, and we're gonna make some opinion statements. We are gonna make some opinions. We're gonna tell people what we think. So one of the biggest ones, or one of the biggest things that you can make an opinion on.
An opinion statement, we already did this in reading.
Oh, well, now we're doing it in writing. We actually did do something very similar to this in reading. So now we're doing it in writing. So let's start with y'all's favorite one. Let's make an opinion statement. Let's make some opinion statements on food. On food.
Popcorn.
Okay. So think about some of your favorite foods, or you could even go the opposite and think about maybe some foods that you don't like. Okay, think about your favorite foods and maybe think about some that you don't like. And then I want you to write, let's start with one sentence. So I'm going to say, I think popcorn is.
Just put their own opinions.
Yep, you don't have to copy mine. You're writing your own opinion. I think popcorn is the best snack to have. I think popcorn is the best snack to have. Okay, you could write one that you think is the best. You could also go the opposite. And you could also write something that maybe you think is not the best, that maybe you think is not good or gross.
So what's the name of that thing that like you how like before you like it's like you they give it to you, but then they're gonna give you the meal. What's the name of the thing before they give you the meal?
Appetizer?
Yeah.
Let's see. What do I know?
My screen is black.
Okay. You may have to leave and come back, Kason, and let it reset itself. So we're making.
What's the meeting code?
Huh?
What's the meeting code? I forgot the code.
I have no idea. Kason, just stay, okay? Because I don't know. I can't tell you off the top of my head.
Well, I could go back to my thing and let me in from there.
Okay, do that. I know, hold on. I'm about to explain it one more time, okay? Okay, we're making opinion statements. So you're saying something that you like or maybe something that you don't like. And we're talking about food. We're starting with food. So I said, I think popcorn is the best snack to have. So Michael, you should have your writing journal out and you're writing opinions. Things that you like or don't like. We're writing things that you like or don't like. So I could say, I'm trying to think of something I don't like. Could say mushrooms.
I hate mushrooms.
Are a weird mushrooms are a weird, I'm going to say side to have with dinner. Could also say, I don't think
Why did you put I don't think, Miss Chandler?
because I'm about to tell you. I don't think
That's not good.
ham belongs on pizza.
Miss Chandler, that's not.
Well, that's my opinion. That doesn't have to be your opinion. That's my opinion.
Ham on pizza? That's the worst case of that's a worst case.
I like my
avocado is the worst thing to have on pizza.
All right. Well, I hear lots of opinions going on. You should be writing that stuff down. Write it down. Write it down.
Pepperoni the best. Avocado.
I like
Write it down. Write
avocado.
it down.
the best.
Write it down. Write it down. Write it down. So we can come up with a lot for food, right? Okay. So if you want, skip a few lines in case you want to add some more to food later. Let's do some places. I want to practice with one more topic before we move on. Let's practice some places. So now I want you to think of some places that maybe you like, you don't like. So I could start with, say that one more time, I did not hear you.
How do you spell healthy? Mute.
I think Houston is the best place to live. Going to the doctor is always scary. I don't think you should go to Oklahoma when it is snowing.
Were we supposed to write this?
No, remember, you're not writing mine. You're writing yours. So write your own opinions. You should be writing your own opinions right now. Your own things that you like or don't like.
I don't have space anymore.
You ran out of space.
Nope.
My goodness. We'll go to the next page. I
wrote
thought you ran out of
four.
space.
Can we watch
Awesome.
Valkyrie Rider?
All right. So these are our opinion statements. So right now you should be writing things that you like, things you don't like, things that you think, things you don't think.